Hey guys, it's joycemeettoo here and welcome to the part 2 video of how you can actually set up your number one asset, okay, and get money from it. And your number one asset is actually your website. So this video is about that. And for all those who are new to my channel or new to my videos, my name is joycemeettoo and I do videos about network marketing and talk a lot about affiliate marketing. I also do videos on how you can earn money online and how you can actually earn passive money online. So if you guys are like these contents, do like my videos, do subscribe and do hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's have a recap what we did in part 1 for creating an asset that will keep bringing us free organic traffic. That asset, like I mentioned in the previous unit, is your blog. In your blog, guys, you will be having written contents that people are actually searching online. People are actually curious and seek the help of someone with the required knowledge about a particular matter, right? The information gathered can be in form of visual contents or written contents, right? And in this case, for our blog, the contents will be in the written format. Now, if you say that you suck at writing, you don't have time, or you won't be able to do it, you are simply asking yourself how you can do it, right? You are asking how you can do it. What I learned from One Funnel Away Challenge is actually not to ask, how can I do it? But ask, who can do it for me? And the One Funnel Away Challenge, guys, really helped me a lot in a sense that it taught me the very basics of marketing strategies. Yes, guys, instead of doing it yourself and investing your precious time in doing something that won't be as good as a professional would do, so why not outsource it to a professional that really does things like this? And if you go to fiverr.com or upwork.com, you will be able to find people, or I'll say freelancers, to do the SEO content writing for you. They will do all the research and write a good article for you to actually post in your blog. Of course, you will have to pay for that, and the cost has a minimum of $5 on Fiverr. What I'd really suggest is for you to do a few research and to write a few contents by yourself, and I will show you how you can write and get yourself contents that people are actually searching for. Before we proceed there, you will need to know a few things inside your website that I mentioned in part 1. Okay, so let's jump right to it. First thing first, you need to protect yourself. Okay, so it is important to create legal pages. Example of legal pages are privacy policy and disclosures that help people know you have affiliate links in your websites and you get commissions and you don't share their email addresses that you collected with any third party, and also earning disclaimers where earning results depends on the amount of effort being put to work and stuff like that. So how do you create pages like this? I'll suggest not to copy other people's legal pages, because there could be information that's not related to you or your specific website. Okay, so what I'll suggest you guys do is to actually go on to Google, okay, and search for free privacy policy, free privacy policy, and yeah, free privacy policy generator, and you will be directed to pages like this. So you can click on that and generate your free privacy policy. And there will be also affiliate disclosure. If you will have any sort of affiliate link inside your website, which I'm sure you will have, just write it by yourself, as it is really very easy. You can write it to inform the visitors that your website actually contains affiliate links, and you will get commissions when they actually purchase through your link, right? And earning disclaimers also that it belongs to you and your hard work, etc. So when you have the required legal information ready, all you need to do is to go onto your WordPress dashboard like this, click on pages and go to add new. Add new. I've already done my privacy policy and earning disclaimer. So let's have a look at my privacy policy. And this is an example, guys. Like I said, I'd suggest you to go and do the free privacy policy generator on Google and just write it in a Word and copy it here. These guys, even when you write, you do your headings in Word and you copy and paste it inside, these headings won't be like this. You will have to do it manually. So you will have to, oh crap. So you'll have to select this, and you see right here, this it is called heading 1, heading 2, and it is right here that you have to select whether it is a heading or not. And this is much for it. And you don't have to worry too much about what's on your left side, because I'll be explaining things later on when you are going to post your contents inside of your blog. So when it's done, you just go back and add another new page. Okay, add another new page, and it will be your about page. And your about page is mostly about what the website is, what are you going to do in your blog, etc. And when all is done, you just go ahead and publish it, and it will be published here. Now I will actually show you what are categories and how to categorize your contents, right? Categories are actually used to organize your site and also for search engine optimization, known as SEO, right? When you create a website, you must create a structure that Google likes. With good structure, Google will know what to rank you for, and with time, your site will be ranked according to that structure. So what you do is to go onto post and to go onto categories right here. In your case, guys, you will be directed to a page where you will have a dummy category on your right. And what I suggest is to edit it instead of deleting it. And in my case, I've already edited it, and it was this. I'll edit this once more, but let me actually show you what category means. All right. I found a website. All right. I found a website called Ecom Elites, right? It's called the Ecom Elites. And if you go on the about page, let me show you actually what the about page looks like. All right. And when you actually, this one, guys, this is called a menu, right? This is called a menu. And these things right here, they are the titles that form part of the menu, right? And this is the title of the website name, actually. So Ecom Elites, right? And when you come right on the blog, you will find 5 categories: dropshipping tutorials, e-commerce tutorials, best store apps, best store themes, and reviews. Now, when we click on, let's say, dropshipping tutorials, we will be directed to a page called dropshipping. Now, dropshipping, which is dropshipping tutorials, is actually a category. In this category, you'll find a lot of posts. And when you scroll down, you will find actually there are 4 pages having contents on dropshipping. All right, and the same would be for e-commerce tutorials. You'll be directed to a e-commerce page in which there will be contents written about e-commerce, and there are actually 9 pages. This one is the footer, guys. I'll explain to you in a few minutes, so you don't have to worry about that. And as you see, guys, this main menu has blog, start a store, training, exclusive deals, and the about page, right? So these are the pages. Like when you go to training, you'll be directed to a training page like this. And if you go to exclusive deals, you'll be directed to a page similar to this one. So in a nutshell, this is what a menu looks like, and this is what categories look like. So categorizing your blog, post, and articles in a structured and clean way makes Google love your website more and more, and this increases the chance for your articles or website to be seen in search pages. All right. Now, if we go to our blog, you can just edit this. This one will be, I think, you will have a dummy category, so you can go ahead and edit it, and not, you won't be able to delete it actually, because it forms part of the default category. And you can go on and add new by going on your left side and put the name of the category. In my case, I was testing things, so I created a ClickFunnels category, legendary marketer category, right, and a review category. And this fitness, I will have to change it in front of you guys. Like I said, let me edit this and let me name it actually affiliate marketing, so that any affiliate marketing stuffs can be related to it. So affiliate marketing. And what I'll do, guys, is I'll just write the same thing, affiliate marketing here. Affiliate marketing, you won't be able to do spacing. Affiliate marketing, right? So I'll just put right here, affiliate marketing. What the slug here is the short code after www.something.com/ the thing that will appear after that, right? And it won't have any parent category. Parent category is something I'll be explaining to you later on. And this is the description. You can write a description about that. So I'll not go on to too much details for now. So when you're done with that, all you can do is go down and click on update, and your category will be updated. And here it is. So okay, so just click on category right here. Since it has already been updated, here it is, like this. And the count here, guys, represent how many posts is found in this category. I'll go on actually and show you what I mean by that. So under this count, under the category of review, there's only one blog post. And under legendary marketer, the category of legendary marketer, there are 15 posts. Okay, so let's look at my post. Don't worry, because I will actually show you how you can write your contents and where are you going to get your ideas, etc., so that you don't run out of ideas, right? Let's say that okay, let's say we click on the last post that I did, and it was in October, 15th of October. So I haven't yet touched that. Okay, don't worry about that. So when you do your post, guys, you will have things on your right hand side. You don't have to worry about that too much for now. And this is my content, this is my media. Okay, let me give you actually a brief description. So when you copy and paste your article inside of the Bluehost, you will have to manually go on and select the words here and give them their appropriate heading. So what does heading do, guys? Heading is simply a way to distinguish between what are you going to talk, and the headings actually help Google to know what content you're putting inside of your article. For example, what is a business plan? And if someone searches what is a business plan, it can land up on my article right here, business plan intro. So yeah, I was a debutant at that time, and I was just writing contents and getting myself getting things done. So when you scroll down, actually you will find categories, right? So let's say that this category actually does not fall under legendary marketer, but falls under affiliate marketing. So I'll just select affiliate marketing and just uncheck legendary marketer. And what I'll do now is update. So when I update, the page will be updated automatically and the category will shift from legendary marketer to being in the affiliate marketing category. So when you view post right now, you will find it here. It says, you won't be able to see it, but it says my website name, business plan. And when you go down, you will find, no, it doesn't show, but it is in the category of affiliate marketing. So it is in this category. If I click affiliate marketing right here, you will find the post. Yeah, so here it is, category affiliate marketing. Why do you need a business plan, right? So it is shifted directly to the category of affiliate marketing. And these three categories are active in a menu, right here. So I haven't yet structured the menu, and I will show you now how to structure it. So you go on to edit your WordPress, and the next thing that you need to do now is to go on to menu, right? And the menu is found onto the appearance and go to menu. So when you click on menu, you will be directed to a page similar to this one, right? Directed to a page similar to this one. But before I continue how you can create menus, let me show you actually the theme that we downloaded, which is Schema Pro, right? How does it elaborate its menu? And if we look at my website right now as it is, it looks like this. It looks like this. So the category of affiliate marketing looks like this. This is my website name, and there are social media icons over there. So according to Schema, this one is called the top menu. This one is called the primary menu, right? So there are two menus in there. Okay, no problem. Good. And a professional elaborated website looks like this. They have their about us, contact us, and pages such as icon shortcodes. This is a template from the Schema itself, and they show us how this looks like, right? How this looks like. And a more professional way, it will look like this. So Schema, it has the website name inside the same menu of like this one, and you will have the top menu right here. And when you scroll down, the primary menu stays stuck on the top. So that's good. And these are the categories that I was talking about. So you can do the pages in your main menu, in the menu, and do the categories inside here. And in your sidebar, guys, you will find these things, right? You find these stuffs right here. And at the bottom, you will find something called footer. And we will discuss it in a few minutes. And these guys, this thing is called the footer. This thing is called the footer, right? And these is stuff like you see recent post, text widget, recent post. These things are called widgets, and we will talk about that in a few minutes. And so this is how it looks like. And how can you do that? It's simple. But first of all, let's go on to menu. Let's actually create some stuffs in our main menu. So let's name our menu. When we name our menu, actually, we are naming this thing right here. We are naming this menu. We are giving it a name, because right now, in our case, it is nameless. It doesn't have a name. So we're going to name it. So let's name it main menu. Okay. We're going to create a main menu, and we're going to create it. It will ask us what do we want for it to appear on the main menu. Okay, so what will appear? Some people do actually go into categories and list them like this. Just check it, and it will appear over there. But what you can also do is just copy their links and paste it right here and give them a name. For example, instead of naming it Legendary Marketer, you can just name it Legendary, and it will appear in your main menu. Just let me give you an example. Let me select everything right here and add to menu. Okay, so when you add to menu, it will appear like this, right? It will appear like this, and I can just shift it like this one, and let me save it actually to show you how it looks like. So before we save it, it looks like this, right? It looks like this, and when I've already saved it, so it becomes, let me refresh the page, it becomes like this after saving it. There's nothing much being changed, right? So the main menu stays like this. But let me actually go on and do this. When I slide it to the right, the Legendary Marketer actually becomes the parent, and this becomes the daughter or the child or whatever. So when I go on and save the menu, oh right, I haven't selected actually where will the main menu appear. My bad. So let me say it will appear on the secondary, right? Secondary. Good. When it appears on the secondary, let me save it actually. And what will happen right here, let it save. So it's saved. And let me go ahead and just refresh the page. So what will appear is like this, right? Affiliate marketing. Good. It changed like this. And let's say that I want this to appear in front of this one, right? And click on save. So, and I refresh this page. This is changed like this. You see, affiliate marketing just shifted over here. So it allows you to actually structure your title blocks where you want to put it. And let's say that I want to put review under Legendary Marketer here. And when I click on save, look at what happens here, guys. Look at what happens here. Right? See what just happened here? Legendary Marketer has a review under it. Good. Nice. This is how you do it. You do things, and you can go ahead and decide actually what you really want to put in your menu, right? And so if we actually go here and we click on customize, you can actually go on and customize how you want your menus to be categorized, how you want it to look like. Good. And this is the main menu. It is currently set in secondary. We can change it. Let's say we put it on primary. So it changes automatically, gives you a direct change so that you can see it. Let it load because my internet connection is a bit slow. So what happened here, it appears on the top. See, this one is the primary, right? This one is a primary menu, and this one is the secondary menu. Good. It appears like this, but let's say I don't want it to appear in the primary, so it automatically changes and becomes like this. And it depends on you guys. What do you really want? If you want your website to look like this, go ahead and create pages that you want to put inside of your menu, and it will change it like this. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, so why does it look like this and not like this? Okay, I'll just give you a I'll just show you a tip. Sorry, I'll just show you how it actually becomes like this. Now, the theme that we installed is called Schema, right? So it works with anything. And when you go under the appearance and the theme options, in the theme options, you will have a menu like this one, guys. Since this theme was downloaded from my theme shop, it says my theme shop, etc. So this is the general setting. the general setting, what is your logo image, like the logo image right here, if I want to put a logo image right here or not. So let me close this. Okay, yeah, and the fav icon, okay, favorite icon, is the thing that appears on your tab, the logo that appears on your tab. You don't have to worry too much about that. Just contact me. I'll just do a video and show you guys how you can actually create one. And it's really pretty simple how to actually create your logo, your favicon icon, or whatever. And when you actually do some changes, don't forget to save your changes, all right? And so that your data or your changes are not lost. And performance, you can go on and what's prefetching, etc. You can check it. It allows it actually gives good experience to the people visiting your website. So what I'm actually trying to show you is the header. So the header is actually found right here, right? This is actually the header. So the header looks like this. There's a logo, etc. So I'll just choose this one, and when I choose this one, I'm actually able to select the background color, select the pattern, and choose if there's parallax effect or whatever. My objective was to make it like this, so I selected this template and save changes. And what it looks like actually is, let me refresh it. So when I refresh it, you will see a change happening right here. See, the name of my website just came here and everything just shifted to the right. Good. So this is how actually it's super easy to do. The next thing we need to do is to actually go on to footer, right? So when we go to footer, actually your footer will normally be off, so you need to turn it on. There won't be anything in the footer because actually it deals with widgets, so we haven't set our widgets yet, so that's why it doesn't have anything. And the last thing that I want to show you guys is actually if you're completely new, the first thing that I want you to do is actually go on and import theme options, and your theme will be imported and they will look like it will look like this. So it will look like this, right? It will look like this. I will also go on and give you a video where you can learn more about these stuffs of Schema Pro and how you can actually make your make your website look more or less similar to this one. But as long as you do, you go around and check things out by yourself. It's super easy, guys, to actually do a post it and make it look like this. And I will actually do some tweaking inside and show you and be more transparent with you so that you understand what I'm actually doing. For example, like let's say this one, right? This one actually, when you go to your theme option and you go onto the home page option, you will see there is something called the slider category. So it is placed on review. So let me close it and put legendary marketer, right? Legendary marketer, and place the number of posts right here. And let me this is the thumbnail, right? So let me put this option and save the changes. So when I save the changes and refresh this page, this is my home page, right? And let me refresh this page. So bear with me, guys, because my internet connection is really slow. When it loads, it becomes like this, right? Now you will see, okay, you will say, but there are nothing inside, right? Yeah, no preview inside. So if we look at, it's the 10 best lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad. and there is how to grow your business using Jay Abraham's 3 pillars of revenue, and the second one is top 10 codes from Rich Dad Poor Dad. Right, so let's go to post. Let's go to the post, and it's actually showing the last 3 posts that I actually that's actually in the category of legendary marketer. Right, so let's go and edit it. Let's go and do some editing. Right, so when you're on your post, you've already written your post, you've already did the categorizing it, etc. So the thing that I want you to do is when you scroll down, you'll have featured image. So you click on set featured image. You will be going to your media library. In this case, it's the 3 pillars, right? Yeah, it is the 3 pillars, and it will direct me to my media library. Yeah, it's starting to load. Yeah, so let me just click on this image. You can also upload any image like you want related to your post. Then you set featured image, right? And you go up, and the header animation, it's up to you to actually put a header animation or not, but since we already did it, let's do this parallax effect. What it does, it moves, right? It moves. So I'll just go ahead and update. When I update, it will actually show. So I'll just go on and refresh this page, and a loading slider, see, is being loading. It's loading. Yeah, as you can see, guys, I have inputted an image inside of my blog. So this is it, and I haven't done any image for this, right? But if I click on this, the page of 3 pillars of revenue will be opened, right? It will be opened. So let's give it some time. Let it open. Let it open right here. And this is what I was talking about, the parallax effect. So it's not actually showing, but this is the image that will appear at the beginning of the blog, and I just go on and read, right? It's actually still loading. That's why it's a bit crappy. My internet connection is crap. So this is what I was talking about. See, when I'm sliding down, it's like it's moving, right? It's moving. Good. This is the parallax effect, and this is my blog post that I did a while back. And for it to be structured more properly, I just have to go on and do it one by one to all my posts, add the featured images, so that you see this is a featured image, and I'll have to go and do it one by one. But you won't have these difficulties, because all you have to do when you're going to post your contents, you just have to do what I just showed you, and it won't be difficult. The next thing that I'll actually talk about, guys, is the widgets. So you go into appearance, and click the third option, which is widgets, right? And when you go over here, what it does, it shows you the widgets, right? So widgets basically are everything that appears on the sidebar, on the side, right? There are popular posts, the search, and popular and recent comments, tags, etc. So you can go on here and choose what you actually want to appear in the sidebar. You actually won't have Thrive Apprentice, Thrive Things, because you have installed Thrive Leads. I have installed Thrive Leads inside my WordPress, and this won't appear. So what will appear is this one, and this is blank, but you will say that there is a widget right here, right? This is because it comes with a theme. It is by default. So if we go on and let's say that I want to drag my categories, right? I want to drag my categories. All you do actually is right click, hold, left click and hold, and put it right here. And let me so title, let's say it's called categories, right? So let me name it categories. Good. And save it. When it's saved, so let me refresh it. So if I refresh it, it becomes like this. See, it becomes like this. So everything inside the category is listed inside. Now if I want to actually edit it, like show post counts, right? So let me save it. So when I save it, it becomes like this. See, it becomes like this. Good. And if I don't want review to appear inside of categories, all I have to do is to go on to my category and remove review, right? Remove it. Simple. And if I want, let's say, pages to appear inside, all I have to do is drag and name it page, and sort by page title. Okay, page title. I can exclude which page to not appear, and let's click on save, and actually let's go and refresh this, and let's have a look what appears onto the widget. See, the page appears in the widget page appears in the sidebar. Now what I'd actually recommend is to put your offer right in the so what I'll actually recommend is put your offer in the widgets, like put an image widget. Let's see if we have image widget here, and yeah, we have image widget. It's actually, let's put it right here. Good. And let's say it's about ClickFunnels. Just not put the title. I just don't want to put a title right now. So let's say it's about so let's say it's about legendary marketer, right? I'll just put on this picture image and click save, and let's go on and see what happens. So let me refresh this, and here it is. It appears like this, and let's say that I want this to actually be placed here. So what I do is I'll just click and just drag it down here, and this is it, and I'll just refresh it, and when I refresh it, it becomes like this. So what it can do now is I can just put my URL, my affiliate link here, click on save, and anyone who will click on this widget on this sidebar will be directed to my affiliate offer. And this is how whenever they will purchase through it, I'll just earn my commission. So I'm exposing my offers in front of them. And so this is it. This is about the widgets. And you can also put videos, put a lot of things, guys, but I recommend not to put a lot of widgets in the sidebar, because it becomes really bulky and slows your website. As a beginner, just you can also not put any widget, or just put 1 or 2 widgets or your offers, right? And in the footer, let's put on the pages. right? I want to put pages in the footer. There's actually a lot of widgets inside. So let's say pages right here, and the title would be page, right? Page title. So save, and let us refresh it. And when you have a look at it, you will find, when you scroll down actually, you'll find a footer where this says page, and they have this. Now, I don't know about this. I can arrange everything. Let's say a footer menu. I'll do a footer menu and include everything about page, earning disclaimer, and privacy policy, right? So let me do this actually. So what I'll do is I'll go on to menu, right? I'll go into menu and open pages inside in another tab, and I'll just create another menu. Let me actually create a new menu. So we create a new menu. Let's call it footer menu, right? Footer menu, right, here it is, create menu. And I actually opened the page. So you might be asking, why am I actually opening the about page? So I've opened the about page, right? So here's the link. I'll just click on the link for it to open, and all I want to do is to copy the URL of the about page, and go onto here, the footer menu, and scroll down and go onto custom links. And the custom links, I'll just paste the link here and type about, right? About, and add to menu. And I'll continue on to do this for earning disclaimer, and privacy policy. Here they are, about, earning disclaimer, privacy policy. All I had to do is save menu. Good. This is the footer menu, and I have not actually chosen where should they appear, right? I haven't actually chosen where should they appear. And if we actually go on and refresh this page, how will it look like? Let's have a look. Good. Doesn't appear anywhere. Doesn't appear anywhere. And this is the page right here. Good. So let's go ahead and just go to widgets, right? We go to widgets, and we had a menu. So let's go ahead actually and try it out. Take navigation menu and scroll up and put it onto footer 3, right? And let's say it's about it's important, right? It's really important. So let's select footer menu and save. And now what we have to do is to go onto this, what page were we on? So it doesn't matter what page were we on, it says like this, right? So let's go ahead and just refresh it. When we actually refresh it, you will see two things, important and page, right? And the important consists of the about, earning, and privacy policy. This one was created actually when the Thrive themes, the Thrive leads were downloaded, and it got stuck. Even though when I deleted the page, it got stuck. But I don't want the page to appear like this, right? because I don't know what it does. So what I did was go ahead and created a menu and selected what page would really appear on my menu, right? And I did not actually select any primary or secondary menu. All I did was to go onto widget, right? To go onto widget, take my navigation menu, drop it here, and select the footer menu that I created, right? And now the footer 4, I don't really need it, so I'll just drag it. I'll just delete it, right? I delete it, click on it and click delete, and here it is. It's deleted, right? And what we gotta do is just refresh it. When we actually refresh it, here how it becomes. Yeah, so you have 4 widgets that you can put. Let's go ahead and fill the widgets so that there are no confusions actually. So I go ahead and put recent posts, right? Go ahead and put recent posts and put contact, right? I can also go on and put the most popular post, right? So I'll just put it on footer 2, right? And it is being saved. Everything is being saved. Good. And what I'll do is I'll just refresh it. Just refresh this page so that you can have a look what it is, right? And the recent post, I can actually, I don't have popular post. Doesn't matter. I'll just remove it. Okay, so I'll just remove the popular one where it is. So here it is. So I'll just delete it, right? I just delete it, and this is the menu. This is the recent post, right? So if we go here, the recent post do have 5 recent posts though. I can actually manage to put only 3, right? 3. So save, and I can put a title like, what does it say actually? It says recent post, so it's okay. It doesn't mean that I have to rewrite it. So let's have a look. Good. You have 3 recent posts, important, and you can go on and you can go ahead and put your widgets. Let's say if I really want to put widgets like recent post text widget, recent post here again with images, you can go on and put that. Connect with us. Let's see if there is connect with us. Like, so what this? Let's have a look at this, right? FB like box. So go on and put it on footer 2. And find us on Facebook, right? Okay, find us on Facebook. That's pretty good. And your Facebook URL, you put your Facebook URL, and when it's done, it's saved. So when you go on here and refresh the page, let's have a look at what it looks like. Find us on Facebook, you will have to put your URL. So I haven't put my URL, so it doesn't show. So as you can see, guys, it's really easy, actually easy to put your widgets right over here, right? To actually put your widgets and in your website. And in a few minutes, guys, I will now show you from where you can get ideas to write your contents. And I've already showed you how actually you put your contents in your post section in your website, and all you need to do is to add new, and you type your title. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so you just have to add your new post, the title of your post here, and let it load first. So it has loaded, guys. All you need to do is type your title. Let's say, for example, the title of my post would be is a one funnel away challenge. Is one funnel away challenge. Challenge for me, right? This is the title. This will be my title. So I can go on then and write about the title that I did. And as you see, guys, there's a permalink. Permalink is what actually appears at the end of the forward slash. So it depends on you if you want to leave it like this or just type one funnel away challenge, right? It all depends on you. And you just write your post and make sure you put headings, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, so that it gives a beautiful and clean look of your content that you're going to post. And with rank math, actually, you are able to get the score of your content, right? Of your SEO content. But you don't have to worry too much about this, because if you worry too much, it can create inconsistent data. Above 85 is good. Okay, so you can do it. So the next thing that I want to show you now is how to write your contents, your posts, your blogs. And we've actually already gone through that, but I'll be quick. And this right here is your title box, right? This is the title that will appear at the top of your post, and you just have to write your blog, your article right here. And like I said, you have to manually go on and select your heading number 1, heading number 2, and make sure that your blog actually has spaces, like breathable contents. And let me actually give you an example. Introduction, and hey guys, blah, blah, and blah. Good. And the introduction here goes on like this. I select it and put the heading 1, and it is done. And I can say blah here is heading 2, right? So it goes on like this. After I've done this, all I have to do is publish or save it as draft as you want. And like I said, you go on and put your featured image that you want to represent this blog post, and select your categories that you want this post to go under, and put your tags, your keywords, so that it get ranked for people searching for this particular keyword. It will appear in the search bars. So this is pretty much it. Now, how are you actually going to get your post seen by the public? So you will have to put posts that are actually being searched by the general public, right? You can't just go on and invent or just come by a title by yourself, like this. I just wrote it by myself, but I'm not sure if people are actually searching for these keywords, right? Now, there are short keywords and long keywords. Short keywords are, for example, one funnel away challenge. This is a short keyword. Now, this short keyword is actually dominated by ClickFunnels itself, right? ClickFunnels itself. So it will become really hard for this post, if I complete it, to be ranked, right? So why not actually build credibility for my blog and get it seen by people with time, and whenever I'll actually post a blog, it will go in the search engine when someone search for a particular keyword, right? So the main focus here is to actually grow our contents with keywords being actually searched by the general public. So we have to know what are those keywords. So I'll just show you three three tools that you can use, right? They are paid and they are free, but if you want, you can use the free one, but you will have limited access. The first one is called Long Tail Pro, right? Long Tail Pro. What it does is, let's say I'm going to look for one funnel away challenge, right? One funnel away challenge. So if I click on find keywords, it will direct me to a page like this. It's actually a paid version. Does not have a free search, and these are the billings, right? If per month you're going to pay 25, per year you'll be paid $45, and the for an agency or whatever the package is, it is paid 98. But you can start with the $25 per month, and it will be billed annually, right? It will cost like this, but I will show you another page. So what it does is, whenever you type your particular keyword, right, it will show you what people are actually searching for, the competitiveness of the keywords. For example, you will get things like this. Let's say you typed affiliate marketing. It will give you results about affiliate marketing blogs, companies, affiliate marketing for dummies, affiliate marketing forum, affiliate marketing guide. So it will give you ideas actually how many people are actually searching for that and what is its rank, right? So you can actually go on and do content about that. The next one is SEO Cockpit. SEO Cockpit actually is similar to Longtail Pro, and it is paid, guys. It is obviously a paid website, and let me show you the package. So it actually costs $25 per month, and these are the prices. I won't go in much to details, but you won't actually be able to do the searches because I haven't bought the package. But if you really want to get your title to be ranked, to get yourself to know where to actually find keywords that people are looking for, you can always go and buy these two websites that I showed. Now the third one is actually free, and let me show you what I meant. And if I look at one funnel away challenge, right? Get questions. These are actually questions asked by people. So one funnel away challenge, right? And these are the questions that people actually ask. So I will never run out of content like what is one funnel away challenge? One funnel away challenge review, one funnel away challenge login, one funnel away challenge workbook. So these are the contents, like why one funnel away challenge, right? How, or something like, I can actually write content about one funnel away challenge and plug in a few questions. For example, what is the price of one funnel away challenge? And is one funnel away challenge for me? Something like this, right? So I can just go on and write challenge topics related to these questions, and these questions are actually being asked by the general public. And if we go down and compare, like one funnel away challenge, bonuses, workbook, so I can go and write a lot of contents related to one funnel away challenge, right? And this website is called answerthepublic.com, right? And it gives you actually a total number of 3 free searches. Then after 3 searches, you will ask you to actually upgrade, and you won't be able to do the search, the 3 searches, and it's per day. So every day you can go on and do 3 searches, right? So this is actually how you will get your post and contents ranked, by actually looking for questions being asked by the people, by the general public, and you elaborate your post on that. And the next tip that I can give you, and there are people actually already doing these things, so all you do is to type the questions, go on, review other people's posts, and don't copy them actually, but model them in your own personal way so that it looks original. And if you're doing one funnel away challenge review, make sure you give bonuses, because people actually, or they are looking for bonuses to actually join your challenge. And if you give good bonuses, they will actually go on and click on your link and get your bonuses and the training in the one funnel away challenge. Actually, the one funnel away challenge is already a big bonus, because all the knowledge you get to learn over there is really great. So this is how you actually do things, guys. And the next thing that I'll show you is actually how you're going to collect emails. But I'll just do it in another video, because this video is already quite lengthy. And so I'll see you on the next video, the last part of this training, which will be how you can collect emails, right? So this will be it, guys, and I'll continue the rest in a part 3. And as you saw, it was a long video, and I hope you really got value from that. And if you did, please do smash the thumbs up button, do subscribe, and do hit the notification bell so that you can continue and watch my videos, and this will actually help me bring a lot of value to you. So I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.